Hey everyone, we are Mohammed Taha here, and welcome to the new tutorial series of Node.js. In this first video, we are going to explore what Node.js is and why it is such a powerful tool for developers. By the end of this video, you will understand what Node.js, where it's used, and how it can help you build a scalable and high performance application. So the topics we covered in this uh, tutorial. First, we want to know that what is Node.js before we dive deep into uh, Node.js core concepts. Uh, the target of this course is to teach you Node.js from zero to advanced level. We will talk all of the complex topics as well, both and for the time being. So the first thing that we want to know what is Node.js is Node.js basically is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript outside of the browser. So what does actually mean cross-platform? Cross-platform means that you want to develop Node.js application. For that, you have a system in which that system you have an operating system which may be Mac OS, Linux, and whatever. So maybe you build your project on Node.js. Maybe you build a Node.js project on Windows. So as the Node.js project runs on your machine, it is run same on another machines, or you can say on another operating system. Um, that's why Node.js is a very powerful tool. And what mean by runtime environment? Runtime environment is basically is the foundational of program of an environment in which you can execute your program. Uh, so basically, when we say that Node.js is a runtime environment and Node.js is not a programming language, it means that uh, Node.js provides an environment that helps that empowers JavaScript to run outside the browser. Basically, runtime means that runtime allows you to make an environment in which there are many things that are required to run JavaScript that runtime environment will provide. That runtime environment provides that features, for example, RAM, memory, heap, call stack, queue, event loop, and so on. So if we say that um, Node.js is a runtime environment on which JavaScript runs, uh, so we can also say that by default the JavaScript runs on the browser. So we can say that browser is also a runtime environment for JavaScript because the browser has a built-in JavaScript engine on which uh, we can run our code. Let me show you an example. Uh, for example, if we go to our inspect element and not view page source, if we go to developer tools inside console tab, in this section we will run our JavaScript code. So let me show you. What if I create a variable whose name and its value coding addition? When I enter, it says it is undefined, which means that that statement will not return anything. That statement is not returning anything. All right. What if I call that variable? Are we able to run? Are we able to get that value? Yes. exactly. Or you can also perform arithmetic operations. For example, uh, const uh, sum equal to 4 plus 5, and when uh, sorry, unexpected identifier, const sum equal to 4 plus 5. When we run that code, it also returns undefined because that function, that statement is not returned anything. It's specifically JavaScript things. I hope you know some JavaScript concepts because it's a prerequisite of Node.js. All right. Now move forward. If I call that variable, then 4 plus 5 equal to 9. It works fine. As you can see that we run JavaScript code on the browser. It means the browser is the runtime environment of our JavaScript. Yeah. All right. But before Node.js, it is not possible that we run that same code outside the browser. Outside browser means what if I want to run my code inside terminal, inside my operating system CMD or terminal. So let me show you whether our code will run or not. For example, I want to create that name equal to coding addition. Same thing that we that the same code that we wrote on the browser. But here is the thing that is not recognized as an internal or external. Our terminal does not know what this code actually is because